Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the traditional Windows boot menu in Windows 11 running on UEFI system using a few simple command line steps. You might think, why would you want the traditional boot menu? Before we move on into the commands, let's quickly talk about why this matters. Number 1. Easier troubleshooting. The legacy boot menu gives you quick access to advanced options like safe mode without needing multiple restarts. Number 2. Faster access to recovery tools. No more holding shift key or navigating through settings. It appears right at startup. Number 3. Better for dual boot systems. If you are running multiple OS setups, the classic menu is often more reliable and user friendly. And number 4. Familiar interface. Many users simply prefer the old text-based boot menu for its simplicity and speed. However, now let's see how you can enable it. First, click on Start, search for CMD, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type the command pcdedit space /set space start curly braces default close curly braces space boot menu policy space legacy and press enter. This command switches the boot menu from graphical to classic text based. Next, type the command bcdedit space /set space start curly braces put mgr close curly braces space display boot menu space yes and press enter. This command forces the boot menu to display every time your PC starts. Next, type the command bcdedit space /timeout space 5. This command sets the boot menu to show for 5 seconds before auto booting. You can adjust the timeout like 10 seconds if you need more time. Now restart your computer and that's it. You will see the classic black and white boot menu appears. As you can see, it's a text-based startup menu that appears before the operating system fully loads. It's commonly triggered by keys like F8. This black and white boot menu is a powerful troubleshooting hub that gives you control when your system cannot start normally. If you want any tutorial on how to repair Windows 11 through this recovery environment, then here's some certain tutorial for you. However, to revert back, you can set the policy back to standard. To revert, type the command bcdedit space /set space start curly braces default close curly braces space boot menu policy space standard and press enter. After that, restart your computer and check if your boot menu policy revert back to the default or not. Alright, as you can see that traditional boot menu is successfully disabled. If you want to turn off the boot menu, type bcdedit space /set space start curly braces boot mgr close curly braces space display boot menu space no and press enter. After that, check once. Hopefully the boot menu is completely disabled. And that's it. A quick and easy way to bring back the traditional boot menu in Windows 11. Whether you are troubleshooting, dual booting, or just prefer a classic feel, this tweak can really help you from any unforeseen circumstances. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment, and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.